Hello students, in the last session we did about the different types of correlation. Now today we are going to study about the methods of studying correlation. Now the first method to study the correlation is the scatter diagram method. Now in this scatter diagram method we are going to draw graphs. In the graphs we are going to plot the values of the two variables which are given to us, and then from the pattern of points we will find the type of correlation. The type of correlation means that which we have discussed earlier, that is positive, negative or lack of correlation. The second method to find the type of correlation is Karl Pearson's product moment method. Now in this method we have three different formulas which we will apply under three cases. The first one, when the observations are less than 15, we apply one formula. Second one, when the mean is integer, that is, it is without decimals, we apply the second formula. The third one is when the mean is in decimals, that is, it has points, then we apply the third formula. The third method to find the correlation is Spearman's rank correlation method. In this, we give the ranks to the values of the variables, and then by using the formula, we find the rank correlation coefficient. Now let us solve the sums based on the scatter diagram method. Let us do our exercise 2.1. This is question number 1 of your exercise 2.1. Here the value of the price and the supply are given to us. We will draw the graph of these values and then we will find the type of correlation. Now see, in this question the value of price and monthly supply are given to us. So let us plot these points. The first point is 14 and 32. So this is 14 and 32 will be over here. Second point is 16 and 50. So this is 16 and this is the point, that is 50. Third point is 12 and 20. So this is 12 and this point is 20. Next one is 11 and 12. So this is 11 and the value of 12 will be over here. Next is 15 and 45. So this is 15 and 45 will be over here. The next is 13 and 30. So this is 13 and this point is 30. The last point is 17 and 53. So this is 17 and 53 will be over here. So if you see, these points are in the increasing order, but they are not coming on a single line. They are round about a single line. So we say that the correlation is partial positive correlation. Now let us solve question number 2 of the same exercise. Here the value of cost and profit are given to us. Let us again plot these points and see the type of correlation. Now see, the first point is 5 and 8. So this is 5 and this point is 8. So this is the first point. Second is 6 and 7. So this is 6 and this point is 7. Third is 7 and 9. So if this is 7, the 9 is over here. Next point is 8 and 10. So this is 8 and here we have 10. The next point is 9 and 13. So this is the point. 10 and 12. This is 10. This point is 12. The next is 11 and 13. So this is 11 and the point 13 is over here. So now again, if you see in this graph, the points are in the increasing order but not on the same line. but they are near about the same line. So again, in this question we have partial positive correlation. Let us solve question number 3 of the same exercise. In this question, the value of sale of woolen clothes, which is dependent on temperature, are given to us. Again, we will plot the points and then find the type of correlation. Now let us plot the points of temperature versus sale of clothes. The first is 12 and 35. So this is 12 and 35 will be over here. The next is 20 and the value is 10. The value is 10. So this is the next point. 8 and 45. So this is 8 and 45 will be over here. The next is 5 and 70. So this is the point. Next is 15 and 20. So this is 15 and here it is 20. The last value is 24 and 8. So this is the value. Now what do you observe? See, the values are in the decreasing order. Again, not in the same line, but near about the same line. So this correlation is partial negative correlation. Hope you must have understood the scatter diagram method. Now in the next session, we are going to solve the sums based on the formulas. We will be having 3 different formulas and then we will solve the sums based on it and we will find again the type of correlation.